So folks, hi. I wanted to show you today Droidkoban for the Android platform. This is the full version. It comes with 500 levels now, and it got 6 different distinct graphic themes. If you have Twitter and you want to tweet your achievements, you can easily set it up using Setup Twitter. Here's an example also how it shows up on the Twitter page or on your client. Just to know, it has around 25 achievements when this version will be released. So it might be a bit of spam, but some of them are not easily achievable, and therefore I think it's okay if you want to have it. So this only, of course, only in the full version. So let's just get into the game. I hope it works. I have a strange setup here. I have my HTC Desire on top recording this, and I'm actually playing on the HTC Magic. So this is running 1.6 and it runs fine on 320 by 480 screen resolution. It also runs really good on the bigger resolutions, like on the Droid or Nexus 1 and Desire. So here we are in game. I hope you can see it. I will just start using the touchscreen to play. I hope to see how smooth the animations are even on an old device. I also make a short video recording the animation, or at least, okay, so you see here on top one achievement we just got. So back, I will also record a short video how the game looks on the Desire, but because the Desire has just a way better camera to record, I wanted to record it on the HTC Magic and play it on the HTC Magic and record it using the better camera. So let's just finish this first level to show you. Maybe I use the trackball. Crap. Playing with the trackball on the HTC Magic isn't really so nice. I prefer playing using the touchscreen, but maybe you can see it better then. Just to let you know, this is a Droidkoban if you didn't recognize. You also have some basic support like undo and reset. Reset is the arrow to the right. I won't push it now. And this is the undo step. Let's just see what it does. It vibrates and it removes to the last step you took. So now move this box up there. Okay, and the menu will actually again fade down if you press somewhere else. You can actually use quite some different game ways to play it. You can use either the touchscreen to swipe like this and move your box, or you can use the D-pad on the Droid. You can use the trackball, for example, on the Nexus or somewhere else. And for example, you can also use WASD on the G1. A mate of mine actually is playing quite well using the keys on a usual G1 keyboard. Okay, somehow this touchscreen doesn't really react well if it's lying flat down on the desk. So actually, normally if I would have it in my hand, it's really a more smoother experience. So before I finish here, I will just show you that you also have a zoom function. This is the glass here. It will also vibrate, and now I can just zoom in or out. I hope you can see it. So actually this zooming is really cool on the Desire and on the Milestone or Droid. So let's finish this first level. The other levels I won't finish, but I want to show you all the teams I got in the in this new version. So if you move the last block into the destination, it will most likely show you an achievement for this level, like this. So we got the achievement Baby Steps because we finished the first level. Here, this is the screen that you finished actually the level, and well, basically this will also change before release of this version. So let's just move on by tapping on the screen, and then Andy the bot will just fly up high into the sky. You see this? Awesome, right? So second map is actually some kind of beach. Instead of simple boxes, you move palms into their baskets, or well, just like water stuff. You move them in here. So basically it's more or less the same like in the last level. The playstyle is always the same. It's just the graphics change. I actually want to add a lot of more stuff to this graphics, but yeah, then I will need to make some kind of difference between the devices, because HD Magic is yeah, on its limit right now. I think it's really smooth playable, but for advanced graphic features, or even yeah, I'd actually like to add some shaders using OpenGL ES2, but I don't think that yeah, well, even the Hero won't run it right, even if it got 2.0 or up. So this is the second theme, and I will just now, I hope this is the version where I can just jump to the right level. It will just show you all the levels. To let you know, this loading takes a while on the HTC Magic. It's much faster on Droid or on the Milestone or Nexus, yeah, Nexus or Desire, any newer device. E.g. the 1 GHz Snapdragon devices, they're really fast loading this stuff. I want to improve the speed also in the future, but not right now. This release, I think you can live with it, because every time, yeah, well, it loses CGL context, and I need to load all the stuff again. I will fix it in a later version, but not in this one. So you can see in the second version, no, sorry, in the third level, the third theme, you move this little hat onto the snowmans. You see this? Okay. You can also see the first stat here in the upper left. We have moves per level, so there will also be some kind of stat tracking for the levels in the future. For example, if you finish the level with fewer steps, then there's also the counter for undo steps. This will also increase or decrease your amount of points you will get for levels. This is not yet implemented, but I will.